Uh-oh.
She said Andrew. I heard Andrew.
Uh-oh. Super good.
Heather, you getting in line?
All right, we've extended the time. There's another 2 minutes. 2 minutes of abuse.
Are you okay, Bob? You good?
You on video?
Yeah.
There we go.
Quit flexing.
Uh-oh. Somebody tore off his equipment. He's got a tack dog.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, just tackle him.
You don't like the head. I wouldn't like the head truck either. That's what your neck around. Get around.
Oh! Oh!
Do a leg kick. See if you can feel it in the You said you do. It looks like he's getting
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, Falcon, how bad did that hurt? A 4? Oh my goodness, you guys only gave him a 4. All right, everybody gets one more hit, and then we're going to let Falcon take all that off. Hey, there's no pat on the back. Man, he's got a look in his eye like he's got trouble. All right, last attack. All right, hey, let's give Victor a